students, today we will go to a particular conversation class, that is introducing myself. My dear students, introducing myself, there are two ways. Number one, formal, and number two is informal. You may ask me, what is formal and what is informal? My dear students, formal is only used in case of official use. When you are working in an office, you have to use formal in case of introducing yourself. So in case of introducing yourself, you must introduce yourself, not your father, mother, brother, sisters or your village. Because that type of introducing yourself has already gone. My dear students, then we go to informal. In case of informal introduction myself, in case of informal, you have to introduce it in front of your friends, comrades, and so others. My dear students, if you cannot introduce yourself in front of others, you cannot disclose yourself, you cannot stand yourself. So, introducing yourself is one of the important characteristics of each and every student. पिलामाने introducing myself अर्थात we divide it into two parts. आपको हमें दो भाग में विभक्त करते पिलामाने. One is formal, another is informal. We use formal in case of official works. If you are working in an office, you have to use your formality when you introducing yourself in front of your boss. अर्थात निजर उपरस्थ कर्मचारी अगरे निजो को उपस्थापन करिबा समय we have to use this formal. And when we introduce ourselves in front of our friends, comrades, and so others, we have to use informality or informal process of introduction myself. You see, whether it is formality or whether it is informality, no doubt. But there are certain points which is must notable. First, come to the formality. Enter, greeting, name, place, qualification, experience, strength, aim, hobby, and end. Similarly, in case of informal, you have to introduce enter, greetings, name, place, position, and works, hobby, and end. Dear students, in case of formality, we noted 10 points which we must have to follow step by step. If we make a silly mistakes, then we cannot present ourselves in front of others. Or our presentation is not so attractive or not so eye-catching. You may be an IS, you may be an OS, you may be good teachers, but if you cannot introduce yourself in front of your boss, in front of your meetings, then all things remain useless. Pilamane, introducing myself, in case of formality, you must have to follow almost all points one by one. If there is a silly mistake on it, যদি এতে অল্প কিছু ভুল ভাগ রয়ে গেল তাহলে you cannot expose yourself in front of your boss and it is condemned. So why? So that is why you must have to prepare yourself once, twice, thrice before exposing yourself in front of your boss, in front of your meetings, or in case of others. But in case of informal, we have to note only 7 points. That is enter, greeting, name, place, position and work, and hobby, and end. Now I will go to first, informality, or introducing myself in formality case. It is because we have to introducing ourselves not in front of our boss, but in front of our friends, in front of our teachers, and so others. That's why we just go to the first case, that is informal type of or process of introducing myself. Just you go to enter. So what should you use to say to enter the class? Dear students, You know, when we enter the class, what do we say? We say, may I come inside? May I come inside? May I come inside? Then an interrogative marks. May I come inside? Students, enter. In order to enter into a class, you must get your permission of your teachers. So you say, may I come inside? This is in case of formality. But in case of informality, you may say, would I come in? May I come in? Both are acceptable. But in case of formal, you can never use would or could. Would I come in? Could I come in? Is not possible in case of formality. But in case of informality, you may enter it. May I come inside? Is acceptable. Is perfectly acceptable in case of enter. So after enter, what you should do? After enter, you should say, good morning, sir, if it is morning. From early morning to 12 o'clock, you say, good morning, sir. So, from 12 o'clock to evening, you say, good afternoon, sir. And in the evening, you say, good evening. And at night, you say, good night, sir. This is what about. After enter, we go to greetings. Then, the third is, what? The third is your name. You just to say, in front of your teachers, I myself, Satyavan Parida. You have to give your own identification. There is no need to say, I am the son of S. Parida, I am the son of Sumati Parida, I am come from here and there. There is no need. This type of jamana has chal gaya. You have to only use, you have to give only your introductions. Just you mention your name. I myself, Satyavan Parida, I come from place, Billikana. Then you tell your position and work. If you are a student, what you will tell? If you are a student, you say, I, Kajal Marana, class 6, reading in Kamdev Sadhana Public School, Singri Bazar, Ali. This is what about your introduction yourself. And your hobby, and in order to introduce your hobby, what you prefer to do. I prefer making drawing, I prefer taking part in sports and games, I prefer to listening stories. So you have to mention what do you like too much. This is in your hobby. At the end, what you will do? At the end, you say, you have to say to your class, in front of your class, goodbye friends, thank you, many thanks, giving me a chance to introduce myself in front of you. Then you put to an end of your notifications. Just this is what you will do in case of informality. But in case of formality, it is quite different. There is a heaven and hell difference between formal and informal. In case of informal, if you do some mistake, it is manageable. But in case of formal, if there is a silly mistake, it is not manageable. Come to the case of formal. First enter. In case of formal, you say, may I enter into the class? May I come inside? May I get inside? This type of word are used with great polity. There should be no commanding voice. The voice should be sweet, pleasant, and ear-catching. Then you say good greetings. In greetings, you say, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. And then you introduce your name and place and qualifications, one after others. First you present yourself. I myself, Satyavan Parida, come from Billikana. district Kendrapada, Odisha. Then you say your qualification. I have MA in English. I prefer teaching as my hobby. Then you say your experience. I have a vast experience in field of English grammar, mathematics and science. However, I am perfectly done well in two fields, that is mathematics and English. Then you say your aim, hobby and last. You say, thank you sir, thank you giving me a chance to introduce myself in front of you. This is what, my dear students, you have to see the video once after other, again and again, then practice yourself, then see me, then send me your own video clip to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you again.